Hello everybody, Storm Teen here today. We're looking at the SPC forecasting for severe weather today. And my lovely girlfriend says hi to you all. So, let's get started. I'm recording. So we're gonna take a look at a few watches here. Now one in Texas and in Mexico, and then we have one up here in West Virginia, Maryland, and Pennsylvania. Still have a Mexico discussion over here. This Mexico discussion over here is for concerning severe thunderstorm watch. There's been 2 storm reports, 1 wind report for 65 mile per hour wind, and 1 hail report for large hail. We got the Izzo Dryad and the elevated fire conditions today. And we have this that we might look at the end of the video. Let's dig into this. First of all, we're going to look at the watches. So they issued a new severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunderstorm watch number 373. That's huge. So we're going to go down here to severe thunderstorm watch number 371. This right here, you see, 371. Oh. This right here that you see is 371. That whole thing. So there's a low chance of tornadoes, very low chance of EF2 plus tornadoes, a moderate for severe wind, a low for 65 knot wind, which is hurricane force or higher, and then there's moderate for severe hail and 2+ inch hail. Probability that's 30%, probability that's 40%, probability that's 10%. I think that went up. Probability of this is 30%, probability of this is lower than 2%, and 10% for tornadoes. Look at the probabilities. Okay, it's the same. So there's a 70% chance for wind and hail events combined, 6 or more of those. So most likely 6 or more of those combined. Get the warnings. Looks like there's a few flash flood warnings in effect now. So if we come over here, the green, those are flash flood warnings. The blues, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. And this great big blue thing here is a severe thunderstorm watch. Then we got this on the radar right here. I might have to go look at GR2 analysis, track some storms with you guys. Now we have 372. 372 is not as bad of a watch, but it is a larger watch. It does look like there is some stuff coming into the area. Yeah, nothing too big though, just maybe a bit down here. Probabilities are also 70% for 6 or more combined severe hail/wind events. Now let's look at the new watch. I've been eager to look at this one. Looks like this one's mainly a wind and hail event as well. What's the radar looking like? There's some pretty nasty storms down there. Looks like we're gonna have to take a look at that on GR2 analysis. This one's also 70%. Doesn't look like today is going to be a bigger day for Texas, New Mexico, and a small portion of Arizona. Very unusual for Arizona. The mesoscale discussion is for the severe thunderstorm watch concerning severe thunderstorm watch. They said that they were going to issue another severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm watch, and they did. A very good cold front boundary in there. The tornado risk is up here. Got the wind threat all the way out throughout this. And the hail threat is down here, like I had suspected. Let's look at the cities. Okay. And then we have this for day 3. This is a 5%. Those all probabilistic are hail. It's for hail. Day 2, got it up in here in Illinois too. It's close to where I live too. Yeah. Day 4 is not looking that bad. Day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, those are all too predictability too low. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have to go through all the risk levels. So basically, let's go down here. So that really light green that you see is a. Oh, hang on. That really light color risk you see is a no severe thunderstorms are expected. That's called the general thunderstorm risk. Basically, lightning and flooding threats exist with all thunderstorms. Nothing too bad. The marginal risk is the darker green you see. Marginal risk means isolated severe storms are possible, limited in duration and/or coverage and/or intensity. Like small hail, probably about the size of a dime or a nickel. The slight risk is the yellow that you see that we've been talking about today that we have. The slight risk means that scattered severe storms are possible, short-lived and/or not widespread. Isolated intense storms are possible. This is what we're looking at kind of today. This could turn into an enhanced risk, which is an orange risk. It means numerous severe storms are possible, more persistent and or widespread, and a few intense. We could be looking at that down in New Mexico, Texas area, and even in Arizona potentially. The moderate risk, which is red, means widespread severe storms are likely, long-lived, widespread, and intense. Now the high risk, which is the top of the scale, that's the 5th one. General thunderstorm technically isn't even on the severe list. We're talking about the severe list, and it's on the 5th. It's the 5th and the last risk. It means widespread severe storms expected, long-lived, and very widespread, and particularly intense. Now, a high risk is nothing to mess around with. There, you could be expecting a major tornado outbreak. So, okay, guys, so that's that. Nothing too concerning going on right now. So yeah, this is my video for the Storm Prediction Center today. When it does update, I'll probably do another video on it. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please click that like button and smash those notification bells, turn them all on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will have my Discord server link in the description below for my wonderful weather-related Discord server, and it is called the Storm Chasers 2. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Peace out.